All right, Kim, thanks so much. Well, scary moments for passengers aboard a Delta Airlines flight Saturday after the plane was forced to make an emergency landing in Utah following a series of mechanical issues. So the flight was set to fly out of New York and land in L.A., but Delta says their pilots decided to land in Salt Lake City to fix a maintenance problem. But as they were getting ready to leave, one of the plane's inflatable slides deployed without warning while the plane was still at the gate. An aviation expert says the slides are meant to expand as quickly as possible in the event of an emergency.
It pretty much goes off rapid fire and is fully deployed, and it would injure anybody in its way because it's almost like an exploding airbag, kind of loaded with nitrogen or carbon dioxide gas.
Yes, scary moments there. Delta says one crew member was taken to the hospital but was released a short time later. The passengers on board were eventually booked into another plane.